peeps, Anna here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be looking at a natural sciences life and living question taken from the grade 9 November 2013 ECE question paper. Let's dive straight in. We're answering question 1.2 in that question paper. Let's have a look at what it says. Diluted hydrochloric acid in the stomach helps digestion. However, in excess of hydrochloric acid causes indigestion and discomfort. The excess acid can be neutralized by antacids such as what? Okay, so first of all, what we know is that the basic reaction or formula that we're dealing with here is acid plus base equals salt plus water, neutralizing the excess acid. Okay, so we just said acid plus base equals salt and water. So it cannot, the answer therefore cannot be nitric acid because this is another acid. It can't be B either because that's another acid. You can't neutralize an acid with a stronger acid. The same goes for C. It cannot be sulfurous acid because again this is an acid. But D is our answer here because milk of magnesia is a base. Okay, acid plus base gives us salt and water. Therefore, the excess acid can be neutralized by antacids such as milk of magnesia. Okay, so that's that for question 1.2. Before I go, let me just say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read about them in the description below. And be sure to head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.